YouTube is the best platform for making passive income. Everybody knows that. But what stops most people from starting their own YouTube channel? What takes a YouTube viewer and turns them into a YouTube creator? Or more specifically, what holds back someone from becoming a creator? It's fear. People are afraid of being on camera. People are afraid of being that personal brand, letting people into their life. Well, I'm here to tell you, you don't have to. What if I told you that I had 10 YouTube channel ideas that made money in 2022 and beyond, where you don't have to be on camera whatsoever? You could legitimately start a YouTube channel today, put videos on there where you're not on camera, and start making passive income so that you can retire from your job this year. And if you stick to the end of the video, not only am I going to show you 10 different channel ideas where you never have to show your face on camera, but at the end, I'm going to show you another way to monetize your channel so that you can make money in the background while you sleep, while you're at work, while you're waiting on that day to retire, and anyone can do this. So if it's your first time on this channel, my name is the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment by making money online. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now, without further ado, let's get into my top 10 favorite channel ideas for making money on YouTube passively and not even having to be on camera. Let's go. Number one is the screen record channel. You're watching this video right now and you notice one thing. I'm not on it, right? I'm not on the camera whatsoever. And a lot of the videos that I have on my channel, I'm not on the video. Sometimes I am, sometimes I'm not. And I'm just letting you know that there are channels like this channel right here, Blue Lightning TV Photoshop, where all they do is record the screen, and on here they talk about Photoshop. It's Photoshop tutorials showing you how to do this, showing you how to do that. So a lot of you out there are pretty savvy with a different program or software or something that people use every day. Some of you are really good at Zoom. Since we've been in this COVID pandemic, you've been using Zoom every single day. People probably want to know how to use it properly. You can build an entire channel around that and never be on camera. Just record your screen and explain a few things. You can see this channel is extremely big. Okay, there's a lot of videos on this channel. It has a lot of views on it. You can see the most popular, this video has 6 million views. That's insane. Okay, now how do you record your screen? There's a lot of different softwares out there. For a beginner, I like something like Screencast-O-Matic. I think it's like 15 bucks a month or something like that. There's Camtasia, there's Filmora, there's a lot. You can just Google search and see what kind of software there is out there to record your screen. Apple has different ones that they use as well. So just do your research, pick the one that you like, that you like best, that fits within your price range. Some of them are even free. So there's no excuses with this one. You can record your screen, you can do tutorial videos, you can show people how to do stuff like Photoshop or whatever. And I'm going to show you how much money this channel actually makes. So if we come over here to a website called Socialblade.com. Socialblade is a website that kind of curates like all the views and subscribers and everything. If you type in a channel in here, it gives you all the information, the background information on that channel. You can see here, these yearly earnings that they put on this website are usually really low ball. They're usually really inaccurate and low, but it gives you an idea, right? That's all you're gonna get as an idea. And you can see estimated monthly earnings. The high end right here says 2.3 thousand. I'm willing to bet that it's more like 5 to 10,000 per month that this channel is making. Okay, and remember, it's not showing faces on screen or anything. It's just recording the screen and talking about Photoshop tutorials. I mean, it can't get any easier than that. If you're good at a particular skill or a software or something you want to show people and build your channel around that, then that's your channel idea and you don't have to be on camera. And again, if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you another way to monetize your channel besides just the views, besides just this, so you can make another $10, $20, $30,000 per month, okay, from your YouTube channel. Idea number 2 is the old-fashioned unboxing channel. Some people like to show themselves on screen, some people don't like to show themselves on screen. And here's an example of a channel that does not show themselves on screen for these unboxing videos. If you're not familiar with unboxing videos are, they're basically that. This person goes out and they buy whatever. Here's a video game, here's some kind of computer thing, or so, you know, whatever. You can go out and buy any electronic, especially electronics get a bunch of views, or just anything that just came out. People want to see what it actually looks like when you open up the box, what's in it, how does it show up, you know, what components are in there. People want to know that stuff. Believe it or not, it gets a ton of views. Here's the iPhone 13 Pro. 87 views per hour, my vidIQ. So that's a lot of views. 1.2 million views, and it was only 4 months ago. And you can see he's just recording his hands, holding it, opening it, talking about it. He is not, or she, whoever it is not on camera. So it's impossible for me to know even who this is. But that's an entire channel idea right there that you can make a ton of money off. All of this is passive. All of these videos are getting views overnight in your sleep. YouTube is just pushing them out, getting eyeballs, making money. And again, if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to show you another way to make money from that same process. It doesn't take you even another second or lift another finger to do this one process, but it's going to change your entire channel. Now, just so we're here and you understand, that's it. This person is just unboxing stuff. Number 3 is a crafts channel. Just think about it. Nobody really cares about you being on camera on a crafts channel. This channel, 5-Minute Crafts, is brilliant. It's genius. It's 75 million subscribers. 75 million people are raising their hand and opting to say, you know what, I don't care who is behind the camera on this channel. I just want to see the crafts. I just want to see the stuff that this person is making. And they make a ton of views and a ton of money off this channel passively. I want to stress that word passively, because once you upload these videos, they're just making money for you. Okay, so you don't have to continue. This person can take a vacation legitimately for 6 months and never have to touch their channel for 6 months and just go ahead and just, you know, travel the world, relax, and money is just coming in from these simple craft videos, and they're not even on camera. Nobody even knows who they are. Nobody's gonna stop them and ask them for their autograph. You can be YouTube famous and not even be on camera. So the craft channel is number 3. Number 4 is the gaming channel. Everybody knows about the gaming channels on YouTube. Everybody's a big fan of them. Everybody knows that once Fortnite came out, everybody seemed to have their own gaming channel. Grandma had her own gaming channel too. But it is another viable option in 2022 and beyond. It's still very, very popular. Gaming channels get a ton of views. You have to do this properly. You have to do your keyword research. And I think I have another video on this channel somewhere about keyword research, how to do it properly. But that being said, a gaming channel is another way to get a ton of passive income, passive eyeballs on your channel. And this person specifically, this home of games, is not even on camera. You don't have to be this personality on camera. Just record yourself playing the game and upload it. That's it. Upload the game footage, maybe talk over it and explain what's going on or whatever if you want to. Some of them are just raw footage of the gameplay, and that's it. And you can make passive income. Okay, so the excuses need to go out the window. Let's go on to number 5. Number 5 is mindset and motivation channels. Mindset and motivation channels work really, really well on YouTube. There's 7.9 million subscribers on this one. It's called Be Inspired. And a lot of times people just want to actually just listen to these channels. Some of these videos, and there's a bunch of channels I found on this. Here's another channel where the person's not on video at all. It looks like they're just repurposing other people's videos and kind of editing them and splashing them together. That's just motivational and mindset type of videos and quotes and things like that. But I've seen channels that it'll just be a still photo, a still picture for like 3-4 hours and just a voiceover on it, just talking about mindset, motivation, and getting you up in the morning. You can do this and all that stuff. Most people like go jogging and listen to it on their AirPods, or you know, listen to it at the gym or listen to it at home. It might be some relaxing music or something like that. You don't really have to be on camera at all for these kinds of videos, and they get a ton of views on YouTube, and views equal dollars and cents. And again, I'm going to show you a way of doing this where you can make even more money, not just depending on the YouTube ad revenue. Now, before we continue with this video, and I'm going to keep giving you hot fire, we got 5 more to go. Just make sure you smash that like button to let me know and let YouTube know that you like the content so far and you want to see more content like this on my channel in the future. If you have any questions or any comments or any concerns or any of that good stuff, put it down in the comment section down below. I get to everybody's comments and I respond, and I give you the best knowledge possible. Let's go. Number 6 is the beauty channel. The beauty and kind of like wellness too, but beauty channels Again, you don't have to show yourself on screen. A lot of times females especially, this is not to be sexist, but a lot of times females especially, they think that to make a beauty channel they have to be on camera, do their makeup on their face and whatever, and talk about the makeup, how to put it on, how to apply it. Not at all. What about this channel right here, Cute Polish, that's only about nail polish? This person is only ever showing their nails, showing how they put their nails together, how they do all the sparkles and the sequins, and I'm not really familiar with this stuff, but look how cool these nails look. Okay, really shiny, different colors, and they get a ton of views. More importantly, this channel is making a lot of money, and they keep it simple. It doesn't have to be this overly edited and flashy graphical thing. Get that out of your head. There are plenty of examples on YouTube of successful people with successful channels like this, and they keep it extremely simple. People are looking for simple online. They want the answers. They want to see, how do I do my nail polish? Oh, this is a great channel. That's it. That's all they care about. Okay, so if you're skilled at nail polish, toenail polish, or any other part of your body or someone else's body where you feel like, hey, I don't have to be on camera for that, that's another idea for you. Number 7 is the cooking channel, and here's a channel I found that was extremely interesting. Okay, this is called Miniature Dream Cooking, and good lord, it's literally cooking with tiny tools and utensils and little things. It's really neat, actually. I was like, what? So this person found a way to make these really tiny little kitchen setups and make really tiny versions of food. It's really interesting. It's a different way to make a cooking channel. I've never seen this done before. It's very unique, and it has over 1 million subscribers and gets a ton of views, which means a lot of money. And again, I'm going to show you an even better way that this channel is utilizing this same method that I'm going to show you at the end of the video. So you can see this makes a ton of money. Okay, and this is a very interesting channel. If you want to just sit here and binge watch this, I highly recommend it. It's actually pretty cool. But a cooking channel is another great idea if you don't want to be on video. Boom, simple, easy. You're a great cook, make money from it. Okay, number 8 is the photography channel. Now this one specifically is a time-lapse channel. If you don't know what time-lapse is, it's when someone takes a photo of something every single day for X amount of time so that you can see what happens over time to that object. Let's say rotting apple, right? If they take a picture of this rotting apple every single day at the same time for 30, 40, 60 days or whatever, you actually see it rot. And this is a 5-minute video, so it probably took, I don't know, 60, 90 days or whatever, every single day doing a snapshot, and then just editing all those photos together to make it look like you're watching the apple rot over time. It's pretty neat. And this channel surprisingly has over 1 million subscribers and gets a ton of views. Again, making a ton of money off something you do once, and you're just taking photos of stuff probably just around your house and watching it rot over time, and that is the video. Okay, it's pretty interesting. It's very unique, and it's very smart to just make money off something like that. Very interesting. Number 9 is the list videos, and we're rounding down to the end of this countdown. But list channels, list videos, in a nutshell, all it is, as you can see, top 12, top 10, top 12. It's lists. Okay, if you're really knowledgeable about certain things, I don't care if it's football, basketball, video games, whatever, just making a channel where you're listing top things. People are always interested in other people's opinions, and again, this person is not on the camera whatsoever. They're just showing the screen, showing what they think the top 12 Chrome extensions are. They think the top, free animation software out there is, whatever. People are always interested in everyone else's opinions about different things. Here's the top 10 Netflix hidden gems, and you just use clips of like Netflix shows or movies or whatever, and then you just put them into a top 10, and that's it. And it creates a lot of dialogue back and forth in the comment section, because obviously people are going to disagree no matter what your opinion is, or people want to chime in and give their 2 cents. But what that does is it helps out your channel. It helps out the algorithm to push more views to your channel, and more views equals more money. So it's okay if people comment and say, hey, I disagree with your list. Okay, fine. What do you think? And then they give you your list, and it goes back and forth, and you make a bunch of money because they're boosting your video out to more people. It's a nice little tactic. But these kinds of channels, these list channels, make a lot of money. So That's another idea. And let's go to the end of this countdown to beautiful, wonderful number 10. This is it. Number 10 is the animation channel. Just animation, cartoons, animation stuff, and just voiceovers. Sometimes they're just stories or just whatever. Here's one of the top ones, a 10 million subscriber channel. It's just all animation, which is Jaden Animations, okay? You can actually combine some of these channel ideas. I've seen animation channels that do list videos, like the top 10 whatever, and then it's an animation. Or a cooking channel, that's an animation. You know, so you can actually sub in your own face, your own personality on the camera for just an animated version of you. And there are a lot of tools before you sit there and tell me, Infamous Joel, I don't know how to do animation. There's a lot of tools out there that'll help you do animations a lot easier. Everything is so much more accessible nowadays. You don't have, I don't even know how to draw stick figures, okay? If anybody's seen me draw on this channel, stick figures are difficult for me, okay? But they now have animation software out there like Video Scribe, and there's a ton of them. So you just Google video animation software, pick the best one that you like, that's in your price range, that you think is going to help you a ton if you want to do animation videos. And this is a fantastic idea for a channel. Gets a lot of subscribers, gets a lot of views, and gets a lot of watch time. People stick to these videos because they're very animated, they get people's attention. And that's it. That's all. That's the list of 10 beautiful, wonderful, no face, don't have to be on camera channel ideas that make a ton of money here on YouTube passively. And for my next trick, I'm going to show you the best way to make even more money from these types of channels where you don't have to be on camera whatsoever. And that way is called affiliate marketing. Okay, what is affiliate marketing? I have an entire playlist right here that breaks down what it is, but I also have a course down in the description below where I walk you through my entire journey in affiliate marketing, step by step, to 6 figures. Even with a small audience and a small channel, you don't need to be some big YouTuber. I'm out.